time. Today, we're diving into another quick casserole recipe. This breakfast casserole is made with just 4 base ingredients, has 161 grams of protein with the ones I used. It takes maybe 10 minutes to prep, so let's jump right into it. Start this one by adding into a large mixing bowl 6 large whole eggs, 112 grams of cheese, I went with cheddar, 200 grams of plain Greek yogurt, and 454 grams of a cooked protein. You can either use a pre-cooked protein like the diced ham I used to make this recipe quicker, or brown some lean ground beef, turkey, or sausage. These are your 4 base ingredients. Whatever else you add in is really up to you, what you like for breakfast. Today I'm using 40 grams of spinach, half a chopped up white onion, 3 chopped up bell peppers, a little salt, and some black pepper. Mix all of those ingredients together thoroughly. Next, take out at least a 2-quart baking dish, coat it with some non-stick cooking spray, and pour your mix into it. This is the part where you can optionally top it with something like a couple bacon bits. From here, throw it into the oven on 350 for around 45 to 50 minutes, or until the edges start to brown and the center has limited jiggle. While that's baking, it's time for the tip of the day, breakfast edition. Do you like iced coffee? Hate when it gets watered down? Here's a simple solution. Pour some leftover coffee into an ice cube tray and have coffee ice cubes ready to go at all times. No more watered down coffee. Now, let's see how our casserole turned out. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, I usually reheat mine by putting a piece in the microwave for around 30 seconds. Number 2, it freezes great if you end up making a ton or don't plan to eat the entire thing within 3 to 4 days. And number 3, there's a million variations for this one, maybe more, so make sure to put a bunch of them on the website. Before we end this one, I don't think I've ever talked about channel memberships on here, but if you want to join to help support the channel, there's a few different levels and you get these cool badges the longer you've been a member. Shout out to Brian, Jeff, and the Scotty. Thank you for hanging with me for a while. I'll start shouting out a couple of you in each recipe. Another thing, I've been working hard in my free time to add metric measurements to every recipe on the website, theproteinchef.co. Trying to keep everything as organized as possible. It'll take me a few, but we'll get there. You'll start seeing a button on every recipe as I update them, and it's super easy to use. 1 click and boom, you're done. Scale it as needed. All right, you made it this far. Here's the question of the day. How do you like your eggs? Scrambled, hard-boiled, baked in a recipe like this? Something I've never heard of? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you want more quick breakfast recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Follow us at The Protein Chef. And of course, stay healthy. Also, no one got the last giveaway. There's something in the background and none of you have figured it out. So let me know what you think it is down below.